Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you an easy summer dessert recipe with biscuits. That's both delicious and simple to prepare. First, let's grind one package of Petibör biscuits in a food processor until powdered. Then, let's pour 4 cups of milk into a pot. Add 200 grams of milk chocolate. Or you can use dark chocolate instead. Add 50 grams of butter and put it on the stove. Stir continuously until the chocolate and butter melt and reach the boiling point. As you can see, it's reached the boiling point. The butter and chocolate have melted. Now let's add the biscuit powder we prepared. Mix quickly with vigorous movements. Remove from heat. While still hot, let's mix it with a hand mixer for a few minutes. As you can see, it has a perfect consistency. Let's portion it into serving bowls. Then let it cool in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Before serving, dust some cocoa powder through a tea strainer. Serve our dessert chilled. With its practical preparation and delicious taste, I'm sure this will become one of your favorite desserts. Bon appétit to those who will try it. You can support me with your likes, comments and shares. Thank you for watching.